All right, guys, this is, we're having the talk. All right, so as of recording this, it's August 2024, and we're reaching the end of life shelf for the Surface Duo 2. Now, if we can remember the Surface Duo 1 last, what was it, April? It had its last pretty much security patched, updated to the Surface Duo. Unfortunately, this guy has kind of deceased, at least in security patches. There's ways of getting Windows 11 on it. I still think it's the greatest folding phone ever. It's the thinnest folding phone ever. Just think Microsoft kind of priced it way too much. Surface Duo 2 came out, and we're reaching the end of shelf life. Now, September is coming up. Hopefully we get another security patch. I don't know, because they've been doing these bi-monthly. But if we go into here, right, as of right now, we go into the system, we go into there, we're on the August 1st security patch. Thumbs up. Hey, maybe, you know what, Microsoft's going to give us, like, hopefully a goodbye, and hey, maybe it will leave us with Android 14. That would be awesome. Probably not going to happen with this phone, but by far, I personally feel best devices I've ever owned as a folding device, because the screen's not plastic, it's glass. It's something different. It's nothing that any other phone could have done at the time. And unfortunately, guys, it's at the point of where we're saying goodbye to these devices. I'm going to still let them run until the batteries die, hopefully, because look, Google's updating stuff like their AI Gemini stuff, so it does make these phones way better still. We're still getting app updates for it up until they decide not to support Android 12L for Google Play stuff. Well, I'm going to use these phones as they are, and then throw them in the boxes and leave them as collector's items. On that note, guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, thumbs up. Have a Patreon account. Go to Patreon, subscribe for free or $1 a month, and you'll be getting these videos probably a day earlier. It just helps the channel so that I can buy other phones and talk about them, unbox them, and get you guys the best information that I can to help you guys decide on purchasing either the budget phone or any other phones needed. All right, on that note, this is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.